Welcome to today's video, where we'll explore exactly how you can make $100 a day using AI automation in 2024, even if you have zero technical skills. Whether you're a student, freelancer, or someone looking to build passive income, this guide will walk you through everything step by step. Let's begin with understanding the core concept. AI automation is using artificial intelligence tools and workflows to perform tasks automatically that would otherwise take human effort and time. With the rapid development of tools like ChatGPT, Canva AI, Midjourney, and Make.com, you no longer need to hire a team or learn coding to build a fully functioning income stream. Now let's break down a real method you can apply today. The first step is choosing a niche. Pick a topic that people search for regularly. This could be finance, health, relationships, productivity, or even entertainment. Your niche will define what kind of content or service you'll offer. For example, let's pick productivity tips for busy professionals. This niche has high demand and gets consistent traffic. Next comes content generation using AI. You can use ChatGPT or other AI writing tools to generate blog posts, social media captions, YouTube scripts, or even ebooks. For example, you can ask ChatGPT to create a 1,000-word blog on 10 productivity hacks that actually work. This content can be posted on Medium, LinkedIn, or your own blog. But how do you earn from it? Here's where automation and monetization come in. Let's talk about affiliate marketing. Once you have your AI-generated content, you can insert affiliate links to tools or products related to your niche. For the productivity niche, you can promote software like Notion, Grammarly, or time-tracking apps like Clockify. Each time someone clicks your link and buys, you earn a commission. Some programs offer up to 30–50% recurring monthly commissions. Now, here's the automation part. You can schedule posts on Medium, LinkedIn, Twitter, or Facebook using tools like Buffer or Publer. These tools post on your behalf, even while you sleep. You write once with AI, then schedule it for the next 30 days. Let's take it to the next level. You can also build an automated YouTube channel without showing your face. Here's how. Use ChatGPT to write your script. Then, use a text-to-speech tool like ElevenLabs or Murph.ai to generate natural voiceovers. Use tools like Pictory or InVideo to convert those scripts into video format using stock footage and animations. These platforms require no editing skills. Once your video is ready, upload it on YouTube. If you upload consistently and focus on search-based content, your videos will start getting views. Enable monetization through ads and affiliate links in your video descriptions. With consistent posting, earning $100 per day becomes realistic within 1 to 3 months. Another powerful strategy is selling digital products. You can use AI to create templates, planners, ebooks, or digital guides. For example, create a 30-day productivity planner with ChatGPT and Canva, and sell it on Gumroad or Etsy. Automate the delivery using those platforms, so every time someone buys, the product is automatically delivered to their email. Let's not forget email marketing. You can build a simple landing page using Systema.io or MailerLite. Drive traffic from your blog, social posts, or YouTube videos to collect emails. Then, use AI to write email sequences that promote your products or affiliate offers on autopilot. Finally, use Make.com or Zapier to connect all your tools. For instance, when a new blog post is published, it automatically gets shared to your Twitter, Facebook, and Pinterest. When someone buys your product, they automatically get added to your email list. All this happens without you lifting a finger after setup. To sum it up, here's your roadmap. Choose a niche. Use ChatGPT to generate content. Monetize with affiliate links or your own products. Automate posting with Buffer or Publer. Create videos using text-to-speech and stock footage tools. Sell digital products on Etsy or Gumroad. Automate emails and delivery with Systema.io. Connect all the tools using Make.com. The beauty of AI automation is that once the system is set up, your income becomes semi-passive. You just need to monitor analytics, tweak what works, and scale what's performing. You don't need a big investment, just a little time, consistency, and the right tools. Start small, grow gradually, and remember, this is not get rich quick. but it is real, achievable, and scalable. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. And if you want a free list of tools mentioned in this video, check the description below.